Hello, Richard If Beagle 6 Airsoft. We're going to be testing this TM MK18. This one has got we've got upgraded 9-ball Tightbore barrel. We've got the Flamingo hot rubber, the one for MWS. We've got the 9-ball hop unit, which is obviously got the sort of TDC style up and down on it, and we've got the Angrygun MPAS, adjustable nozzle installed in there, so that we can get a adjustable FPS on there. So which was set and tested. It's below 260 at the moment on a quite a strong gas. You might want to increase that if you're going to be using different gases, but we just wanted to demonstrate it working after we've done the work. There we go, through to lockout. Cool. Well, we hope you enjoy, and yeah, have lots of fun. Thank you.